Hello Java developers. In this video, we need to find out our third question problem answer. Area of triangle. Area of triangle. How to find out? If you know that area of triangle's formula, you can easily solve this. What is area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay, so let's try to do this in VS Code. Okay, now we are in VS Code and let's create file inside this area of triangle dot java. Okay, go inside this file. Public class area of triangle is go inside this file, and after that create main method is required. Public static void main, go inside this scanner class object sc equal to new scanner system.in semicolon. Okay, move away from this line and take two variables. First, one for base and one for what is area of triangle. Half into base into height. So first we take base and then height, and after that use formula. So take base system.out.println, enter base, and base will be double, type base equal to sc.next double semicolon. After that system.out.println, enter height double, height equal to sc.next double semicolon. Then remove these two lns from here. Okay, we do not want these. Okay, now area of triangle, so it will be also double type area equal to half means 0.5 multiply by base and multiply by height, then semicolon. After that print it out area of triangle plus area. Okay, now run this program. Base is 10 and height will be 20. So this is area's triangle. Area of triangle 100. Half into base into height. Okay, so thanks for watching. We will meet in our upcoming video of this series.